at all. Daddy, why didn't you leave it like it was? There, perfect. Daddy, just leave it. Like, zoom in a little bit.
Okay, you can do it later. She didn't do it.
Daddy, it's fun. Daddy, it's fun. Daddy,
How many glasses of this wine does it take to get someone that size, that plaster?
Everything's under the table.
It's nature's way of
Making you stuff.
making you stuff. You can't find your glasses.
You can see the big lines again.
Yeah. Then he lived in Canada. And then Kurt came back and then Scott got married.
That was a nice glass of wine.
$9. And then he lived in Quebec.
Good thing no one has what?
Right.
That's a golf cart.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, I'm done. Show me good. Okay, look good. Why don't you send me some other?
Yeah, these things.
Got the pig noise.
So, how long do you want
That's good.
Oh, that's right.
That's where
Is there another glass? Kind of reminds me of The Meaning of Life. Big back. Oh, I need another bite. Excuse me, sir, can I take your order? I'll take the left side of the menu. Which item, sir? I'll have the whole thing.
What?
It's from a movie we saw where a big fat guy sits down and he looks at the menu and sir, can I take your order? A real fancy restaurant. And he says, I'll take the left side of the menu. The whole page. Yes, this huge pile of food. This is what we call a glutton. I think my battery might run out. It's okay. Home entertainment. You have to jump when opportunity presents itself.
I'm just wondering what's the offense is like that. I don't get busted all by yourself.
Never say never.
Very light potato. When you sit
That wall off area. So Tommy was off to the side.
Built-in entertainment. And now, who cares about the view? Oh, my appetite for a Kobe burger.
Daddy, just take his
You know what? We can drop the stuff off and then I can rush back. We're pretty much packed up, yeah.
I think so. Are you taking the ticket over?
Mama, did you take the
I guess so. It was kind of a waste. It's like $20.
I think it's a waste. Everyone who comes here, they're probably all old. Who knows how old this is?
No, nobody does that to tequila. Older is better. The older is better.
He's gonna start smoking. He's going out to smoke. You got the match and a cigarette.
She was able to walk.
Maybe she's autistic.